Alright, well I'm interested to know what's over by that Pickerel River, because that little creek might be another cool spot.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes, let's leave.
Let's get this train on the tracks.
Train tracks. You love capris.
I do.
They're like your favorite. Look at your leg.
Break time. Want to stretch the legs. Oh. That moved it again. Oh. You out?
I'm out.
Okay.
Out.
There's a hot rock therapy.
It was a good nap. It's leave time. We're rolling up to a campsite. Gonna go check it out. This is a possible campsite for tonight.
Okay, so this is this one then. The spot ain't bad. There's actually, I think right over here, a better place to come up. There's like a better pocket to park the canoe and a trail that comes up. You think you could get over there?
Yeah.
And then come up and take a look?
Remember, folks, tie your canoe
Ed likes to lose it.
so your floater doesn't float away.
So your only means of transportation doesn't leave without you?
Yeah, because it will. It tried, and it will do it. It almost succeeded. And look, a walkie trail.
Sometimes I like to feel important too.
I talked to you enough.
Yeah, I'm kind of almost done with it. Left. There's a tent spot right there.
That's not a bad tent spot. Did you see any wood?
I didn't look really hard. If you want to have a sit on a windy point, I don't know if you're going to get much better.
This is cool.
Like I said, it's not
How
bad.
far are we from truck? Like how many hours?
Still probably only about 2. I mean, we could go straight up across and Hartley Bay's just up.
Okay, because tomorrow I don't want a long paddle tomorrow.
No, it's definitely almost less than a day.
I don't know if it pays to move, really. There's a cool swim spot. A tent spot here, a tent spot there, so we don't have to be on top of each other, and it's not going to be buggy here.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? Yeah, we done?
Yeah, there's a grill grate laying somewhere.
Okay, we're done.
All right there. Hang
We're
on.
done.
There's a little bit of wood all.
I'm cool with it. This is cool.
You wanted a windy spot. The only bummer is the walk down.
Well, we really like the spot. We're gonna go look at the map and see if there's one more spot close. If it's close enough, we're gonna go take a look at it. But we like this spot. We think we're gonna stay here.
The other one's not out on a point. It's in the middle of the island. We're here. We could be there.
I like the breeze.
Here.
Yeah.
We're here.
That cool?
We're home.
We're here. We're here. Oh, I hiccuped when I said it.
We're here. Yes, it is. I'll take the one out on the point. I'm not mad. I was kind of hoping you'd leave me this one.
The soil and the dust are trailing behind my boots. Blown by the wind, showed me a piece of my past. The soil and the dust is where we go. 6 feet under, whatever your uniform says.
Look at this. Just look at it.
It's all gloom and doom over there.
It's angry.
Gloom.
Angry. We got service at this campsite. Finally able to check the weather. There's like a taco storm. Is it a taco?
Yeah. There's a whole bunch of bad over there.
It's a cylinder-shaped storm, and it's like coming up along us. We might get some good weather or bad weather. I'm not sure which, but it don't look good. It looks grouchy. It's getting grouchier too, dude.
Oh yeah. Like
Is that a tornado?
Front edge of it coming over. That would probably, a tornado would probably be bad right where we're at.
We're on a point out in the middle of everywhere, so it's, I don't know. I'm gonna film some of it.
We're on a big bay in the intersection of 4 very big channels.
Yeah, I'm gonna film some of the storm. I got the action cam out, so we'll see. I've been saying we're gonna get weather, and then nothing happens. Oh. Let's go take a look at this storm. Let's go look at it. Check this out. The storm did this. It's getting rainier. I have to hop in the tent, I think. I think I'm gonna go in the tent so I don't get wet. Whew. It's raining out. I'm tucked in the tent.
The smell of the dust is sticking onto my clothes. Burns my throat, sends shivers down my spine. The smell of the dust makes us just the same. What makes us different is just a bullet away. No pride, but shame.
Well, it's still raining. It's been raining for probably 3 hours. This is the last night. I'm not mad that it's raining, but I kind of wanted to hang out by the campfire. Doesn't look like that's happening. Well, I looked outside, and Dave's awake setting up a tarp. Rainy house. Doesn't really seem to care that we're here.
Well, no, because there's a big bag of food right there. He's willing to risk it.
Mouse, there's hot sauce in there. I don't know if you're gonna.
He's covered in it now.
He's in the bag. What are you making?
I don't know.
Fire?
Trying.
Kinda. What'd you put on that, water?
Yeah.
Morning, everybody. Right now it is 6:45. I am all packed up. Everything is right next to the boat. I'm just waiting on Dave, and I want to get out of here. I think it's 40 degrees. It's a little chilly. It's pretty nice out. It's the first morning I've woken up, and I'm not like just sweating and dying. And I forgot my fishing lures. Alright, well, we got the lures. So, Dave's packing up right now. And I'm going to cast the line in a little bit and see if I can hook on anything. It's nice and early. And I'm just walking out to the point. Just like the slipperiest rocks ever. I want to go home. I want to sit on my own toilet. I want to eat like food. I want to not make food. I want to not put up my tent. Yeah, I want to just turn my sink on and there's drinking water. And honestly, it's still super convenient because we have filters. But you take for granted a sink that you just turn a knob and there's like, wow, you could drink that. Here? No. If you didn't have a filter, that's like... you have to... Yeah, no. We are paddling back to Hartley Bay Marina. We have about a 2-hour paddle to the truck and a 47-hour drive home. Oh, probably 10-hour drive or 11. I want Pizza Hut pizza. I've said that 1,000 times to the camera. I don't want to do this motion for a long time. I refuse to do this motion for the next 2 weeks. If anything calls for this, I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm just not. I'll refuse.
Why? You'll be so good at it.
I will be, but that's why I won't do it. I'm too good at it. Yeah, my back is super strong now. My shoulder's like a bowling ball on this side. It's pretty cool through here, though. Yeah, I liked all the weather. The rain, the hot I could do without, but it's nice to have a couple days. Yeah, it was nice to have a few days of that. The thunderstorm was cool. The all-day rain I could have done without traveling in it. It would have been nice if it did that camp day, you know, or maybe not, I don't know. We got everything. Hot, cloudy, rainy, stormy, cold, because this gave us the last piece. It's a bright, 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 sunshiny day.
Did you tell we need radio?
We are on the home stretch. I'm so excited to be on the home stretch. Oh, goodness. Pulling up to the dock. Pulling up.
We're here. Are we here?
We're here.
We're here.
Happy as you could be for being here.
Yeah.
be happy when he was home.
My legs and my back.
Just tumble out into the water. Are you sleepy?
Yeah, I remember carrying it down. I was like not happy about it, and now
It's not that big of a deal.
Well, everybody, we are done. Trip is over. Gotta load up the truck, and then I'm going to eat Pizza Hut pizza. Oh, the whole thing. I might even film myself doing it. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe.